You always buy vanilla ice cream from the supermarket without knowing that the ingredients are very simple and you can make the ice cream at the comfort of your home. So today I'll be showing you the easiest and the simplest vanilla ice cream recipe, which will need only 4 ingredients, and you'll have 1 liter of ice cream to enjoy at the comfort of your home. For the recipe, you need some whipping cream, condensed milk, vanilla essence, and salt. So into your mixing bowl, you're going to add in your whipping cream, and this is 1.5 cups of whipping cream. Make sure you chill your whipping cream, and for the recipe, you'll need a hand mixer, which you're going to be using to whip up the whipping cream until stiff peaks, and that is going to take around 1 to 4 minutes over high speed. When you have stiff peaks just like this and the whipping cream has doubled up in size, you're going to add in condensed milk, add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, use a spatula and mix in the condensed milk, vanilla essence, and the salt into the whipping cream. Condensed milk is a combination of milk and sugar that is cooked down until thick, and it acts as a sweetener to our ice cream. If you don't know how to make condensed milk, you can check up here or in the description box. I have a detailed video on how to make that. The vanilla essence is going to add in a very nice vanilla taste to the ice cream, and the salt is going to balance out the sweetness. When you're done mixing all the ingredients, you're going to pick a container and scrape in your delicious looking vanilla ice cream. And you can see how silky the ice cream is looking. And once done, you're going to level up your ice cream in the tin. Make sure you get rid of all the air pockets. Tap the tin on your countertop for around 2 to 3 times. This is to release any air pockets in the ice cream. Now you're going to be chilling your ice cream overnight or for at least 6 hours in your freezer, and then afterwards you'll have some very delicious vanilla ice cream. My vanilla ice cream is ready and I've been freezing the ice cream overnight. So now I'm going to check how it's looking so that we can serve. And as you can see, the ice cream is not icy at all. It's very creamy and looking so good. So I'm going to use an ice cream scoop and scoop. And just look how delicious it's looking. The best part about the recipe is that you can double up or even triple the recipe to make for your entire family. And for this recipe, I've made 1 liter of vanilla ice cream. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's so easy and simple to make.